Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Love you loads. Well, whoever has been following me for so many years, my skin has gone through a lot of evolution. Over time, I would try everything under the sun. That is due to yourself scrubs, activates, exfoliates, crazy amount of fairness treatments and fairness packs and ஏகப்பட்ட விஷயங்கள் நான் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். பட் உங்களே மாதிரி என்னோட skin also is very heat prone. It has pigmentation. It has always humidity hit. ஏன்னா நம்ம சென்னையில் இருக்கிறனால the weather is crazy over here, and especially with summers coming, it gets extremely difficult. So South Indian skin and South Indian skin tone all the harsh chemicals and everything that I've been using over the years, இப்போதான் நான் வந்து realize பண்ணிருக்கேன் that those are not actually good for your skin, and I have discovered how to make my skin love me. So come with me. இன்னைக்கியோட வீடியோல நான் உங்களுக்கு இந்த விஷயங்கள் சொல்ல போறேன். So good skincare பாத்தீங்கன்னா எப்போவுமே it doesn't mean that your skin has to be attacked or you should not be fighting with your skin. Basically the idea is that you have to understand your skin, and that is what certain skincare techniques have taught me. Of course, let's talk about why today Korean skincare is way better than all the other skincare that we have. The whole fad that is there behind Korean skincare is actually true, because I feel that over the years நான் ஏகப்பட்ட பிராண்ட்ஸ் ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஏகப்பட்ட டூ இட் யோர் செல்ஃப்ஸ் ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். எல்லாமே ட்ரை பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் டுடே ஐ ஹவ் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் தட் ஹைட்ரேஷன் இஸ் த கீ ஆல்வேஸ். ஸோ நம்மளோட ஸ்கின் பேரியர் ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான் நம்ம எப்போவுமே ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் தட் இஸ் ஹவ் ஐ ஹவ் ஸ்டார்டட் டூயிங் மை ஸ்கின் கேர் nowadays, because using too much of exfoliation, peeling off the top layer of the skin, a lot of people have been recommending that. ஏன்னா நானும் இவங்க ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணாங்கன்னா அந்த டாக்டர் கிட்ட போயிட்டு எக்ஸ்ஃபாலியேஷன் பண்ணுவேன், அவங்க ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணாங்கன்னா இந்த டாக்டர் கிட்ட போயிட்டு கெமிக்கல் பீல்ஸ் பண்ணுவேன். பட் ஐ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் தட் ஃபார் இந்தியன் ஸ்கின் ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் ரியலி நெசசரி. ஆல் யூ நீட் இஸ் டு லவ் யுவர் ஸ்கின், லெட் இட் ஹைட்ரேட், லெட் இட் breathe, and do barrier repair. Barrier repair is everything, guys, and the more barrier repair you do, the better it is. Your skin heals much faster with that. South India பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளோட ஸ்கின் இட் டீல்ஸ் வித் அ லாட் ஆஃப் ஹீட், லாட் ஆஃப் humidity, lot of pollution, and crazy number of things. So what our skin really needs is a good hydration, பிகாஸ் நம்மளோட ஸ்கின் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் இஸ் நாட் ஆக்சுவலி ஆயிலி. ஏன்னா ஒரு நாள் ட்ரையாக ஃபீல் ஆகும், ஒரு நாள் ஆயிலியாக ஃபீல் ஆகும், சில ஏரியாஸ் காம்பினேஷன் ஸ்கின் மாதிரி தோணும். ஸோ எவ்ரிடே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there will be like your skin feels completely different, but that doesn't mean that your skin is oily or your skin is nasty. It's just that our skin is imbalanced, and அந்த இம்பேலன்ஸ்க்கு டீல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு it is very important that you hydrate your skin and you do barrier repair. And that is what exactly I feel that having lightweight hydrating skincare is where the Koreans have nailed it. And for me personally, if you look at Korean skincare, I am like totally loving it, because it's not harsh, it's not chemical based, and it is also not really stripping off my skin of the actual skin layer. நிறைய பேர் சொல்லுவாங்க இந்த மாதிரி கெமிக்கல் பீல் பண்ணால் நம்மளோட பேபி ஸ்கின் வெளியே வரும், இது வரும் அது வரும். பட் ஐ ஃபீல் தட் இட் இஸ் ஆல் அபவுட் ஹைட்ரேட்டிங் யுவர் ஸ்கின் வித் த ரைட் இன்க்ரீடியன்ஸ். அண்ட் எப்போவுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொரியன் ஸ்கின் கேரில் தேல் ஹாவ் ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ் லைக் சென்டனலா, ட்ரெமெலா, லாட் ஆஃப் hydrating active ingredients. It's not about ripping off your skin of what it is. So that is why for me, over the years பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டே ஸ்கின் கேர் இருக்கட்டும், நைட் ஸ்கின் கேர் இருக்கட்டும், I have started completely using Korean skin care, because this is really helping me make my skin baby like. So guys, currently என்னோட ஸ்கின் கேர் routine பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is more about cleanser, toner, essence, serum, moisturizer, and of course sunscreen எல்லாமே I'm not going to be even stepping out of my house. But the whole idea is that all those crazy active ingredients, I have completely stopped doing that, because more than having glass skin, more than having like unrealistic skin standards. It's about having a very healthy and a very baby like skin, and that is what is very important. So keeping your skin hydrated and keeping it healthy so that it feels even good without makeup. So right now if you see, I have zero makeup on my face and it is just keeping my skin healthy. இதே ஒரு 10 years முன்னாடி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, because of all the crazy active ingredients, I'll always have redness, blemishes, acne. அவ்வளோ acne எனக்கு aggravate ஆயிருக்கும் because of all the crazy active ingredients and chemical peels that I was doing. So right now in my life, I'm in this phase where I just want to focus on making my barrier repair much more stronger, and I think Korean brands are doing a great job at it. Reasons why I think that Korean skincare are just literally killing it when it comes to skincare. First is ingredient innovation. அவங்களோட ingredients பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, they are always using things like fermented rice or snail mucin or centinela or ginseng. So what this does is, more than using active ingredients to rip off the skin barrier, it is more about penetrating and hydrating your skin and keeping your skin glowy and very, very healthy. The next thing that I really like about Korean skincare is their 7 or 10 step multi-layering process. So basically it is about layering over occlusion. What happens when you use very oil-based serums and oil-based gels, oil-based things, is it kind of becomes occlusive. But idhula ena nadakuduna, there is a lot of moisture hydrating permeability, and also the absorption and the efficacy of the products is very great. So it doesn't really clog your pores. The third thing that is great about skincare in Korea is that they maintain their pH levels to close to about 5.5. So what happens is, it's not really going to be very, very acidic for your skin, and that is why the penetration, maintaining your skin's microbiome, defense and resilience to the moisture and to the humidity and the heat is much, much higher. The fourth thing is that their focus is more on preventive versus reactive. So it is not about quick fixing by doing like quick skin brightening or peeling, but it is more about using products like cellular peptides and niacinamide, which is very, very, very good for your skin, and it prevents problems from coming rather than actively giving you quick fixes. Fifth thing is nanotechnology. Because of nanotechnology, what happens is the absorption is much, much better at deeper levels, and what happens is it doesn't really break your skin barrier, and it acts really fast, but at the same time not destroying your skin barrier. Point is that they have really nice emulsifiers and like a lot of good lipid barriers which are not going to break your skin, but it's just going to act like another skin to your skin. And the seventh very important thing is that they focus on cruelty-free certifications and good lab testing, and they are very, very honest with whatever their ingredients are. So the trust and the transparency is much, much more higher. So guys, Ramonala, என்னோட heartல I've kept something which is very, very close to me, and I've been thinking about it as to how we can have more good Korean skincare in India, so that we can customize it for Indian skin tones. And let's just say that let's wait for it and stay tuned to see what's coming up next.